ask you a few questions?
Yes.
What do you like to do to help yourself save money?
Um. Uh. I get all my money and I put it in like my bank account.
That's a good answer. Is there anything you're saving up for?
Um. Yeah, for the end of for college.
Paying in cash is a lot easier than what they're trying to do.
Do you have any goals?
When I'm a bit older, I'm gonna try to get into the police academy.
What do you know about money?
Money is green.
What do you know about money?
It's green.
Do you have any goals?
Goals about money?
Yeah.
Be a millionaire. I want to be a bajillionaire.
I want to be a quadrillionaire.
Do you guys have any dreams or anything?
Yeah, when I grow up, I want to be a veterinarian. Help the animals and stuff. What?
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A nurse.
I want to be a famous volleyball player.
Nice. Okay. Can I ask you guys some questions about money?
Yeah, for sure. Go for it.
Do you have a goal or something you want to achieve?
I want to become rich. Girl, I want all that money. Some way or another, I'm going to get it.
Do you know how to take care of money, or do you know what to do with money and stuff?
Yeah, I do savings at the moment. So, and I also have a separate piggy bank where I'll take some money out and then I'll put it there.
Do you have any dreams?
A dream?
Anything you want to become?
I want to become a pediatric nurse. So I want to help little children.
That's nice. Yeah, for sure. Thank you. What is your goal?
My goal is to find a good job, go to college, and settle down.
Is there any colleges that you're looking at or colleges that you want to go to?
Not really.
Do you have a dream or something you want to become, or what are you going to college for?
I don't really know yet.
That's pretty good. What are you guys' goal for money?
My goal is to have money so I can help support my family and stuff.
Stand to support my family and maybe charities.
Yeah, maybe have a good job one day.
Yeah.
Are you guys thinking of college right now, or anything?
What?
Are you guys thinking of college, or what college would you go to?
Yeah, I'm just thinking of going to Grand Valley University.
What about you?
Yeah, college. I don't know what college yet, but